Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your Cooking with Sindaco and I'm back again. So over the weekend there was a huge celebration in UK. And that was because the Queen was celebrating her Platinum Jubilee, making her the longest reigning monarchy in English or the British history. So for that reason, there was a long weekend chill for the people in the country. 4 days holidays was given to the people. People from all over the world were in the country to witness this day. Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth was born on the 21st of April 1926 and she started her queenship at the age of 25 when her father had died on the 6th of February 1952. She got crowned on the 2nd June 1953 in London. On 6th February 2022, Her Majesty the Queen became the first British monarchy to celebrate a Platinum Jubilee, marking 70 years of service to the people of the United Kingdom, the realms and the Commonwealth countries.
Mi grandma boso mi kume, mi ni abrantie sama mi na mebe, abrantie sama mi na mebe. Mi sama mi na mebe, abrantie sama mi na mebe, abrantie sama mi na mebe, abrantie sama mi na mebe. My bonny hey, sama, my baby sama mi na mebe.
So not everyone was able to go to London to witness the day. And lucky for us, we had these organizers who were able to organize and to put up a show at the park called Ghana Party in the Park. Okay, so this party in the park is done every year. But this year came along with the celebration of the Platinum Jubilee and it was exciting. It was super huge, it was marvelous, you know. There was a lot of activities on the ground as well. Football matches going on, like the youngsters showing their skills, the dancing skills, everything, man. It was amazing and just perfect. Where from? Guinea-Bissau. Oh, wow. And it's JBB across live. What's the human celebration? Yeah, Jubilee human celebration. Ghana for you na Japan and Asia shower. We will be I want tips, yeah. You're Skinny Man, one of the organizers of the Ghana Party in the Park, right? Yeah, I what's on it.
Yo, this is the biggest outdoor event in the north. You can't go wrong, my G. Ghana Party in the Park. 2022 is a shutdown, baby. After party tonight is gonna be crazy.
Where's the location? Casa. Okay.
Be there or be square. It's gonna be
wow. MC1.
Right. And I was careful down, Rob.
Careful too. You good?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Enoch.
You got in?
Horseman.
Okay, what are you doing? Are you least?
Yeah, I'm a high-time rapper.
You had to rapper? Give me a freestyle, a cappella, do something.
Alright, when I operate 4 times in the road, everyone knows when I shift my foot, I came up down with 4x4. Everyone knows I'm a 4 times road. Let me come and do my trap. I'm in a band, do my rap, and I'm in a band, everyone knows clap. I'm in a band, do my slap.
Wow. Good up, big up yourself. So what? But then, fruit, I could say. What's the day? Picasso. Ah, Picasso. Hey! Amudro no you can Amudro dey say. Amudro dey say. One pound me back home. Wow. Burkina.
Yes.
Oh, Burkina and Kato I say. Wow. Yeah, full African shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, full African shop with leads, yeah. So this is ginger drink. Yeah. Yeah, ginger near more. Sure, this one over here, Mr. Freddy, one of the biggest man over here in Leeds. Mr. Freddy, what's up?
What's up?
So Ghana Party in the Park. Ghana Party in the Park.
This part in the park.
Okay, but is this a link to the celebration of the French, what do you call celebration, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you see the program?
Oh, it's very good.
Very, very good.
You know, we give it opportunities for the kids to come around and enjoy themselves.
Yeah, I've
but
seen
the
that.
weather is very nice.
Yeah, you can wear that. You can't predict.
Exactly.
I've seen that, like, there's some football match going on and stuff. So,
Yeah.
like, I want for the fun organization, right?
Yeah, father.
Okay, because as I said, this one over here, come on, man. I don't try to crowd for a minute. Hey! Yeah. Okay, so. Okay. Yeah, so I have this Muslim family over here, and they're also in Leeds and they're enjoying themselves. Since today is a holiday and everybody's here, I've met them. What program is saying? I'm a long holiday. Yeah, so that's it for today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to YouTube channel, tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you share so that the platform can grow. Thank you, Arokodo, for Shizm and Nizzle. I'm out.